Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane or right plane as you wish. I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now go to draw the rectangle from origin, corner rectangle. Now go to smart dimension, this line dimension 75 and this line dimension 50. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now extrude from mid plane 63. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here, center rectangle here, draw. Now go to smart dimension, this line dimension, this line dimension, this line dimension 25, 25 and this line dimension and this line dimension between 22. Okay. Now I am going to here write 50. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now I am going to here cut 12. Okay. Now go to again top plane and sketch. Now draw the again rectangle from midpoint. This line midpoint select. Now go to again smart dimension. This line and this line between 25. Okay. Now go to this line dimension 15. Okay. Give the value 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now I am going to haircut through all. Okay. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. This point and this point and this point connect. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This point and this line distance 12. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now I am going to here select through all. Okay. This is a easy process to this product make, this drawing make. Now I am going to here select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line here and select here and here. Now go to smart dimension, this point and this line distance 12. Okay. Now go to this line dimension 16. Okay, select. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now I am going to extrude from it plane 25. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select plain white. Okay. Now go to select here materials lead. Now I am going to select this metal. Okay. Now I am going to show how to save this file. Now go to file or you can select Ctrl S. Now I am going to save. Now you can now select the folder. Now I am going to select this PC and select desktop. Now I am going to select folder Tuesday. Now I am going to product name, parts name, mechanical drawing. Now save. Now you can this format save. You can again this product edit. Now I am going to save the PDF. Now go to again save as. Now here select PDF. Sometime my sound is the down. Sorry for this. Now go to save the PDF. Same name PDF. Go to save click. Now I am going to again save JPG. You can any format save JPG, PNG. Okay, save JPG. Okay. Now make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comments box. Please subscribe our channel. Please follow our Facebook page AutoCAD Bangladesh. You subscribe our YouTube channel CadCam Solution BD. If you want to contact our self number +88 01916 553 827. Thank you all.